Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Hugo Analytics to understand what your AI agent is doing and understand how to use that data to improve your support over time. If you are wondering how to know whether your AI agent is actually helping your team, Hugo Analytics is where you start. It helps you see what Hugo handles, where conversations are escalated, which workflows are triggered, and what your customers ask the most. So let's go inside the app. To access Hugo Analytics, go to AI Agent, then Evaluate, and click on Analytics. Here you will find different ways to understand how your conversations are handled. So where can you see how conversations move through your AI setup? Let's start with conversation funnels. Conversation funnels give you a visual overview of how conversations move through your AI setup. They help you understand if conversations are handled by Hugo, escalated to your team, or routed to a workflow. This gives you a clear picture of how your support is performing at high level. But what if you want to understand the real conversations behind the numbers? You can click on any branch to access more details. And from there, you can download the conversations associated with this step. Downloading conversations lets you move from high-level data to real customer examples. This is especially useful to review how Hugo handles specific cases, identify patterns in user requests, understand why some conversations are escalated, and improve your training data and workflows based on real conversations. Now, how can you see what happens inside a workflow? Let's look at the workflow heatmap. The workflow heatmap shows which steps and paths are used the most inside a workflow. Think of it as a visual map of how users actually move through your automation. With this, you can quickly identify which parts of your workflows are used the most, where users drop or get stuck, and which path might be too complex or unnecessary. By analyzing this, you can simplify your workflows and improve the overall experience. And now, how do you know what customers are asking the most? This is where topics volume comes in. Topics volume shows which types of requests appear the most in your conversations. It helps you understand what your customers need most often and where you should focus your efforts. For example, if a topic has a high volume, it usually means that your users don't find the information easily, your knowledge base might be incomplete, or Hugo needs better training on that topic. You can also click on a topic to download the related conversations or filter the funnel view by this topic. This allows you to review real examples and better understand what customers are actually asking. So instead of guessing, you can improve your setup based on real data. And when you combine all of this, you get a complete view of your support. Funnels show you the overall flow, downloaded conversations show you real examples, heatmaps show you what happens inside workflows, and topics show you what customers are asking. And from there, you can take actions. For example, you can improve your help articles, create better Q&A pairs, simplify your workflows, or adjust your routing. To recap, Hugo Analytics helps you improve your AI setup in 4 ways. First, use conversation funnels to understand how conversations move through Hugo. Second, download conversations to review real examples behind the data. Third, use the workflow heatmap to see which workflow steps are used the most and where users may get stuck. And finally, use topics volume to identify what customers ask the most, and then improve your help articles, Q&A pairs, files, workflows, or routing based on that data. The more you analyze what happens inside Hugo, and the easier it becomes to improve your resolution rate and reduce the number of tickets your team has to handle manually. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.